Hello everyone, it's just Ed. Today I'm going to do a review on this VEVOR 3-tier folding shelf cart. So I really like no assembly required. It comes in the box, fold it up. So all you got to do is take it out of the box, undo this Velcro right here, turn it a little bit, pull the handles down, and now I've got a nice little cart. Now it's not very big. Overall it stands at 33 inches. In between the shelves, you get about 10.5 inches. The surface here, 14.5 by 20. But it's just a nice, cute little cart. We do have locking wheels on 2 of the wheels, but all 4 wheels turn. Now, on the back side, there is this mechanism that will that's what it's used to fold it up and down. Again, handle, lift up. Look how that stores, just like that. Oh, I got it a little uneven here. Now, there. Let's go overall measurements when it's like that. Right at 41 inches. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.